Hello, this is Josh, and welcome to the next episode of the $100,000 account challenge. It's day 12, and we're starting right now. And remember, before we get started, that trading is risky. You should always use a stop loss. You should always trade in a simulator before you put your hard-earned money on the line. And welcome to EVA Trades. Let's take a look at the progress in this $100,000 challenge. I'm up $30,000, well, $30,874 in 12 days. I'm happy with that. Here's the gap scanner. The leading gapper today, it's up 86%, but I looked at the chart and it's really pulled back. So it's a no trade from me. And I'm not even going to put it up here. NVIV and NNVC, they both look somewhat interesting. They are both trading below the VWAP, but they are consolidating. SOPA was a little further down, but it's above the VWAP. It's the best looking stock so far. On the other screen, I have a hood and XCUR. XCUR is right here. The rest of these, some of them lacking volume. Some of them have higher floats. Some of them have ugly charts. So here is the other screen. Here's hood off the high of day momentum scanner. Kind of doing its own thing. It looks a little different than the rest. XCUR. It's not very interesting to me. So I don't know that I'll trade it. So back over here, NVIV with a stair step down, lower lows and lower highs. Thus far, on the 5-minute, we have the support there. I think bulls really want to get over $10 and see a move back up to the highs. Let's say overall this morning, things seem to really be pulling back. So that could be a good thing. Been consolidating for a while. Here are the larger time frames. Here's the hourly across the top for NVIV. Inside bar on the hourly. Inside bar, but looking like it wants to break. We have 2 minutes to go till the bell rings. So I marked my support and resistances as places of interest where the price action stopped for a while, because other people are watching those same levels. Okay, so here we go. So NVIV is trading below the VWAP, and NNVC is trading below the VWAP. SOPA is trading above the VWAP. Hood is also trading above the VWAP. Had a big candle moving up. The price action on it is a little weird. So I'm going to wait on trading it. So 1 more minute and the market will open. The one thing Hood has going for it is the support of the VWAP and some declining volume on this pullback here. I'll keep an eye on that. There could be a trade there, I'm not sure. Let's go take a look back over here. So far, NVIV is holding. It's holding that $5 level, 5-minute level. But below the VWAP, below the VWAP. I don't do so well when I trade below the VWAP. SOPA broke 277. The market is open. I like NNVC for a move up to the VWAP. But I don't like NNVC with that drop like that. I'm going to buy the dip right there on SOPA. Don't like that 5-minute candle, but it's only 1 minute in, so I'm going to buy NVIV also. I'm going to add to it there. I'm in 3 trades right now. I'm gonna sell. I'll tell you about what I did with Hood. Right now I kind of want to keep an eye on these. I probably should be selling NVIV the second I see profit. So very tricky here. I'm in quite a few trades at a time. That's always tricky business. Taking losses on NVIV. The chime you're hearing is I'm in a trade on the other computer. And I'll have to go over those trades with you. I'm going to add here on SOPA. I'm going to take half profit over here on an NVC. Boy, I really should be selling there and selling there. And I'm going to get out over here to bring you back over here so you can see. I took a trade on Hood down here and then I sold as it was moving up. And then I bought this pullback and then I sold as it moved up. And now I'm looking at a pullback here that I jumped in it right here. I'm going to take partial profit right there. And if it pulls back a second time, I'll add. I'm back in over here, taking half, selling half. Looking for that move up towards 3 on SOPA. SOPA being the stronger stock of the day. I'm selling there on SOPA. I'm also exiting over here on Hood. Exited on Hood because it's not breaking as quick as I want. I'll buy that pullback. And I'll sell that. Buying a pullback on SOPA. Looking for a move up to 3. Okay, I sold it again. It wasn't moving real fast. Yeah, I'm in over here off of the VWAP. Sell a partial there. I was in a little high on my first entry, so I exited that first one just for a small loss in case the VWAP doesn't hold. I'm going to move my stop losses up. So I'm in over here. SOPA. Buying that pullback. Now I'm going to look for that move up over 3. I want to see it shoot past $3. And I'm stopping myself out over on Hood. I'm just taking too much heat. So I'm red on hood now. I went from green to red. I was really counting on this pullback. So let's see if SOPA can give us a move. And continuation higher and a breakthrough $3. I'm actually going to move my orders up a little bit. Stagger them. Because I think if it breaks through 3, you're going to see a pretty big break. Now, one thing I don't like is the red volume here. Just seeing that now, actually, I wasn't paying attention to that before. That's notable. So I want to be cautious here. I'm not for certain, but I think NVIV just got halted. Which means I'm going to cancel my limit orders. Because if we open higher, we have a resistance up here. I'm not excited. I'm not as excited about a halt going up whenever it's below all of this, but we'll see here. So I'm buying a pullback there. 350 on an NNVC is the level to get over. I'll take half of my profit right there. SOPA just not holding that VWAP like I wanted it to. 2-bar pullback on the 5-minute, but it's pulled back quite a ways. Let's see if we can let's see if we can break through the high of day on NNVC. This was the high of day right here. I may try to add on some pullbacks if it comes, because we're trading above 350. I'll buy right there. Just adding on the way up. Looking for that break. I added there. Okay, selling. Adding again. Selling there. So breaking through the VWAP now. Seeing some momentum here. Okay, and I'm just going to sell all of that right there, and I'm going to sell the rest right there. So when did this get halted over here at 641? It's 643 sub. Resumption should be around 646. Buying that for the breakthrough and selling it right there. So that was nice, breaking through that high pre-market of 385. I played this for the breakout and then I kept adding on the way up. Nice breakthrough VWAP, red to green on NNVC. Now let's see if we can get some follow through here on a bounce back up on SOPA and try to make back some of this loss, down 7,600. And I don't mind being down that much because I'm up pretty good over here on these two. So I want to pay attention, make sure I exit here on SOPA. So what time did I say resumption was at 6:46 and it's 6:45 right now. So seeing a little bit of green here now on SOPA. Trading back above the VWAP. 2-bar pullback here. I don't know that we're going to see the bulls come in and reclaim the highs on this. Nice 2-bar pullback here to that support on NNVC. So I'm getting back in NNVC there. I kind of wish I would have gotten in a little bit lower on it. You see the 5-minute here. So that's a nice support level. So coming close to resumption here on NVIV. Should be resuming any second now. Selling half over there on NNVC. So if NVIV doesn't resume in the next 10 seconds here, then it may be a 10-minute halt. Which that's kind of what it's looking like. Okay. Moving my stop loss up on NNVC. Okay, getting stopped out there. I'm going to add on SOPA. I know that's kind of risky to do that. I'm already down on it. Haven't been trading it very well. Boy, look at that drop. Probably going to halt down now. Quite possibly. Just one of those reasons why. Oh, wait, no, this one never did halt. Oh, I'm sorry, I was thinking of this one here. So, yeah. So, resumption on NVIV should be at 651. SOPA has declining volume. So I'm adding on SOPA there. It is trading below the VWAP now. But I want to see if we bounce off of this level, off of this support. So 1 minute away from a possible resumption on NVIV. I'm buying over here. And I'm going to sell a partial. I'm going to sell a little more. Just because I don't want to be looking over here, I'm going to sell the rest and get back over to the other screen here. Okay, so we're coming up upon resumption. I hope. I don't want to sit here all day. Is that a bear flag on SOPA? Okay, watching for resumption on NVIV. I want to be quick to sell because this thing might... It could actually open lower, and if it does open higher, it might just drop right straight down. Okay, there's a sideways open. I'm going to sell some. Let's see if it'll continue higher. I'll sell and sell. And I'm holding 5,000 shares. I'll sell it all right there. I'm just going to get out of SOPA. Just take my losses on it. Because it's just, I'm really getting beat up on it. And it's not giving me the bounces that I want. That was a really nice halt and resumption on NVIV. I'm not going to buy it there. I wanted to buy that pullback. That's a pretty good support level. But I tried it over here and look at that drop. You know, maybe we get something like that here too, so. So today I wanted to just kind of trade a little beyond my typical. Typically I take less than 10 trades in a day. I'll hit my daily goal and then I stop. And today I did hit my daily goal in those first few trades. But I decided I wanted to push it to kind of give a demonstration of what it's like to just go beyond, push yourself beyond a little bit. And then that's very risky because obviously, I mean, I'm down 11,000 on SOPA, which is a lot of money, you know, but if I, let me just, I'm going to add all this up. So on the day after adding it all up, I'm up $5,571. So the best trading of the day today for me was when I started getting in as this started to break out through the VWAP, or not the VWAP, but the EMAs. And I know it was trading below the VWAP, but there's a certain look that it was giving me that, hey, this might actually break over these highs. And so I started buying more and started adding. I added on this pullback here, And as it was just coming up, I added, I believe, into here. And then as it broke through the level, I was selling and selling. And then I got back in again as it pulled back to the VWAP, and I sold up here at the line there at that 5-minute resistance. So this is a resistance. You can also call it a target. Look at NVIV now breaking out more. Had some nice trading, but here, you know, another one that was trading below the VWAP. I'm going to have to go back and review because I've taken a lot of trades today. And my memory is failing me as far as where I got in and where I got out. So I'm getting in there again on NVIV, looking for a breakthrough 950. And I actually I'm going to jump back out. I don't have my stop loss parameters set. You notice nothing showed up when I hit the buy button. No targets, no stop losses. So I'm not going to trade anymore. That's going to be it for me. So I'm up over $5,000 on the day, and that's a pretty good day considering, well, that's the biggest day of this challenge so far. That just kind of shows you what can happen on a day when you have a little bit of momentum and you really kind of overtrade. That can come back to haunt you too. You have to be careful with that. See right here, I really want to buy SOPA. Now, notice I got out of SOPA. I was holding some positions down here, and if I had held it, SOPA would have worked for me. It would have. I had no way of knowing that. I just know I kept taking losses. So, and oh, look at NVIV has halted again. Well, this is a rather long video, so I think I'm going to end it here. And thanks for watching, and I hope you found some value in this, and I will talk to you next time. Have a good rest of your day. Goodbye.